Yakitori, grilled meat skewers, are one of the most popular and versatile dishes in modern Japan. This last century has also seen yakitori adapted by cultures and cuisines the world over. Yakitori, literally grilled bird, originated as a Japanese type of skewered chicken. In fact, the first known appearance of the word yakitori dates from the Edo era of Japan's history. This period was marked by many dietary restrictions, and eating beef or pork was strictly forbidden, although chicken was tolerated. These days, however, you can find just about any type of meat and vegetables offered as yakitori. The popularity of yakitori exploded in the 1950s. Booths began opening shops near train stations, and yakitori became the main snack for workers who ate their meat skewers at the end of a busy day. As they are designed for convenience and portability, yakitori are typically cooked using step-by-step methods. Traditionally, it was accomplished using portable charcoal grills. This is the method most often employed by Yatai. Bincho charcoal reaches temperatures of over 1,000 degrees Celsius, which quickly seals in the natural, savoury flavours of the ingredients, and because the charcoal doesn't emit any unpleasant odours, the ingredients don't suffer any loss of flavour. To facilitate even cooking, the meat is cut into small, roughly uniform shapes and then skewered with kushi, after which the yakitori are seasoned and cooked. The cooking itself, while seemingly simple, is far from it. Knowing when to turn the skewers, when to season the meat, and having an innate sense of when they're done is what separates novices from masters. Eating yakitori in Japan is an insight into daily food culture and the history of Japanese cuisine, as well as being extremely tasty. However, it's clear that this dish has firmly ingrained itself into culinary culture all around the world.